Shannon.
isn't available right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
We are off to Ubud today and I feel so sick. We are back at the famous rice field in Ubud, except this time it's not as green as it was last month, and I'll show you. It's kind of green on that side, but over here it's looking a little brown. It's not raining this time though, so we can actually go down and walk around the terraces, and Jao's happy because he will get to fly his drone. There are a lot of steps down here though, so you really have to watch where you're going. And the stairs are all different heights and it's very steep and a little slippery, so you really have to be careful here. Whoa, almost tripped over my own pants. Okay. Okay. How do you like the rice terraces so far?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Nice view?
Look, that person's a really long red dress.
Yeah, you can hire them out to do the photos. Charles' drone is taking off. There it goes. I think it was 50,000 per person to get in if you just want to have the entrance, and then you get to walk around the terraces, and then to fly a drone is another 10,000, or was it 100,000? Might have been 100 because I'm pretty sure it was $10 to fly a drone in here. But I guess it's not too bad because you get to walk around the whole place. As you can see, it's brown on this side, but over here, it's very green still. So I think you can come at any time of the year and you will see green rice. This path gets really slippery, so I recommend choosing your footwear accordingly. Some woman walked past us and she was like, oh, white Air Force. But my shoes are not dirty. long as you're careful, I think it's fine. I don't know if I want to go there because they're mowing. What should we do? But they're mowing, all the grass is coming over the edge. We got a fresh coconut and a view of the rice fields, rice terraces. I think there's always parts of these rice terraces that are green, so if one side's brown and you want to take some nice green pictures, just go sit on the other side. So the question is this place a tourist trap? And I would say yes, it most certainly is, but I think it's a very beautiful tourist trap and it makes for great Instagram pictures. And it's my second time here, so that should tell you how much of a sucker I am for a beautiful photo. All together, thank you. The food was really good here last time, so we got the same Nasi Campur. And you guys like my pimple patch? I think it's a seal. I think we're just gonna sit down for a bit because it's so hot going up and down those stairs. Those steps are no joke, but the breeze is really nice right now.
It's hot.
Is that all you have to say?
No, it's actually a lot better than before when we were here. At least it's not raining.
Yeah.
So I have to fly my drone twice.
Was it fun flying it here?
Yeah.
Oh look, there are those seeds that spin. Our drinks have arrived. I got a mangosteen drink. Joe got an iced latte, and Vidal got a strawberry cola. Spring rolls have arrived and they look really good. Vidal's beef branding looks very fancy. And that's his Caesar salad. The Nasi Campur was really good last time, so we ordered it again. My favorite is this green bean thing.
Is that because she wasn't going to order any food?
Tourist trap or not, the food at this place is amazing and I highly recommend it. Stairs. Our driver has brought us to a waterfall which we haven't been to yet in Bali. These stairs are a little bit better than the ones at the rice field. We have some we've got some stepping stones to cross, and there's a koi fish. Looks a bit lonely though. Oh look, the koi fish has some friends. Wow, there's actually a lot of koi fish here. This is the first waterfall we've been to in Bali so far, and I must say the way to the falls is really cool. I've never been to a waterfall like this, and they have ducks. Hi! Look how many koi fish there are. So cute. Hi. How cute this duck is. My dad says there are a lot of ducks in Bali. They heard that like you would paddle or something, but I think that's only the second time I've ever seen ducks here. But here is the waterfall.
Put my plate on.
Whoa. They are setting up these drones, so Vidal and I are going to go have a look at the falls. We have found a super rare goldfish. I don't know if it's rare, but it looks cool. It's sad that out here there's human rubbish in the jungle. But we're going to go to a cave where apparently you have to use your phone as a light. Okay, so this cave's 150 meters long, and I don't know if you're going to see much on the video. Do you want to go first so you can shine your torch?
Be careful still. It's white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
What?
Very slippery.
Is it?
Yes, and it's hectic hard and very muddy.
I think it's because you have Crocs on.
Rubber.
Yeah, because my... What?
My shoes.
We just clean up. Ow!
Be careful.
Hit my head.
Why are you looking everywhere?
Because I'm looking at my shoes so they don't get dirty.
Be careful when you go out.
They're already going to be dirty.
Are they? Mine aren't dirty. There's not a lot to see in here, so this is reminding me of the TikTok caving spelunking stories. As long as I don't have to curl up and crawl through anything, I'll be fine. Huh?
Just watch your head as well.
Yeah. Well, they have some lights in here. Not a lot. So there's the information of Goa Mantik Tukad Hatanu. This is my favorite part of the waterfalls. The ducks. Where are they going?
So go on to live.
Yeah. Intan Sari Luwak coffee. Oh, cool.
Do they just fall off when they're ready? Or
No, pick
oh,
it.
so you pick
The
it
red
now
one,
and then
yeah.
you just let it sit.
Exactly.
Oh, so it's
So
when it's
it's-
red
That's coffee beans, guys.
like that. Look at it.
Oh, cool.
How long do they take for it to be ready to process?
Ready to
Is there mangosteen growing?
from the green like this.
We have one at home.
1 week something.
Oh, okay.
1 week. Ah. This is a coffee bean.
This is our first time seeing one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've never seen one before.
Never seen before.
Only seen on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Are they very
No
violent?
worries.
Are they violent?
Mm-hmm.
Very dangerous or?
Not dangerous.
Oh, what is this?
Called Majapahit.
I always see, but I don't know what it is.
You don't
You
have
can't
it.
eat it?
I just for decoration. We don't eat that.
Oh, okay.
Just the taste is
Cool. Roasting coffee beans.
the food of
Not sure if I can smell it.
Can you smell it? I smell that smoke. Wow.
Look.
Oh.
It's the poop of the animal.
Oh, so this is the civet coffee.
Civet coffee.
Oh.
So first the animals eat the coffee beans like this.
Yep.
But it's because the beans is not digest. In the morning they pull it out like this. But you don't have to worry about the hygiene and the cleaning from the coffee because the first things that we do it's cleaning process. We wash the coffee under the hot water and then after cleanse they become like this.
And what's this one?
And this one we have to fill up.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this is finished. So what tastes different?
The difference between normal coffee and Luwak coffee, especially for Luwak coffee because they are through the fermentation process within the animal stomach, it makes Luwak coffee it's become less caffeine and less acidity coffee.
Oh,
So if you are not a really coffee drinker, but you wanna get the light coffee, not too strong, you can choose Luwak.
oh, okay, yeah.
So next it's the roasting process.
So this is a civet. It's like a little dog. So cute.
I cannot do every day because it's really hard. Imagine that some things that you eat not digest
Yeah.
and then you have to force them out too
Yeah.
because it's so
That one smells really nice.
Luwak coffee.
Oh, it's very rich.
And it's normal coffee.
Yeah,
Which one you
okay.
I like this one.
We've seen how the coffee is made, and now we're gonna go try some different coffees in the coffee garden.
Hey, there, I'll take a photo of you.
We do have a lot of different coffees.
So look over there, how he's sleeping.
So this is a cacao plant. Never seen one with my own eyes before.
We used to smoke until we had when she was pregnant and stuff. He was always asking for money.
So this is the coffee sample with plantain chips.
this is the sample from all of our products.
Okay.
Yeah, so the sample is combination with like coffee and tea. Before you try, I'll be explaining to you.
Okay.
Let's start from this. This is the Bali coffee. Next to Bali coffee, there is a coconut coffee, vanilla coffee, ginger coffee, ginseng coffee. So just follow this order.
Yeah.
From this until it. And then in the middle, it continue with the avocado coffee, Bali mochaccino, Bali cocoa, durian coffee, mangosteen tea.
Oh,
This one ginger tea, lemongrass tea, herbal tea, and rosella tea. The last one, butterfly pea flowers tea. And for your information, all of this Korean coffee, it's based on the Bali coffee, and then we mix with coconut brown sugar as a sweetener. And all it is, it's with honey, no sugar.
Oh, okay, start trying.
I'll try this one first.
You want banana chip?
It's barley coffee. I think you'd like that one more. You straight away know what this one is.
Coconut.
Yeah. You can just smell it. Yeah. I don't know if you want like a more stronger taste of coffee or.
I like that one.
Yeah.
But the coffee's not that strong.
But you can always add extra if you want.
You can so
It's
smell the
only these
vanilla.
two that I like so far.
That one ginger coffee.
Ginger
Oh,
coffee.
okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, spicy. I like this one. I like them all. We've done our coffee tasting and now we're heading to the shop to see what coffees we want to get, but we pretty much all know what we liked.
All of our products, it's like what we try. It's all the Korean coffee, and the other display is all the tea.
You want your coconut coffee?
So we got a few bags of coffee that you definitely can't get in Australia. We didn't get the Luwak coffee though.
That's all. And then put your order, yeah? One strawberry cooler, one cream banana latte, one sexy mint smoothie, and one veggie panini. Thanks.
Thank you.
Do you want a pesto? So it's 3. We can have one each of this veggie panini.
Hello. Looking. What?
Have a little walk around while we're out today. Does it go out to a street?
No, it does.
This is the Ubud Center Square. You call it Center Square. And behind me is the Ubud Palace. Pretty busy here.
Excuse me, sir.
That's the palace there. Looks pretty big. Looks nice. But we're too tired to go have a look today. What did you say again it was? What was the saying?
Villa, sweet villa.
Villa, sweet villa. We're back from a busy day of driving around Ubud. It is nice to be back there. We've all had a little bit of time at the villa and now we're gonna go back out and get something to eat because I am starving. And Joe offers like fried chicken, but I think I might get something else.
Naya told me.
What did she tell you?
She said, do you want to go to Bali next year?
Chicken wings have arrived, and we have a grand total of 2 spring rolls with a salad on top. This is my nasi goreng with lamb kebab wings, mixed satay, Vidal's cordon bleu. Is it good? Smash dinner, except I couldn't eat this.
Next time you should just order 3 servings of satay sticks.
The servings are kind of, the appetizer servings were small, but I'm really full.